Here I have HP Slate 6 VoiceTab, and let me show you how to check IMEI number on the following device, and let me show you how to find here the serial number. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, then find and use the following secret code. *#06#, and as you can see, the email info just pops up. Tap OK. Now it's time to check IMEI and serial number by using settings. So let's use apps icon, find here and select settings. Alright, then scroll down, and here you need to find and select about device. Then choose status, the second option, and here you can, for example, read the IMEI numbers right here, the IP address, Wi-Fi MAC address, Bluetooth address, and the serial number. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.